Guys, it's Miss Duong. Today I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid, your very first assignment today. So what we need to do, you're going to open up a new internet tab and click flipgrid.com. And when you do, there's going to be this red box and you need to enter a join code. So there's my join code. Another option is I will also have just the direct link in the chat box. So that's a lot easier, but we'll just go ahead and enter the join code. Once you do that, the assignment will pop up right away. In this assignment, there's a list of must-haves. So must-haves, it means the things that you need to put in your assignment. So there's 4 things that I need from you. If you click here, there's an example video that I made for you guys. Okay, that's enough of that. You can check it out yourself if you need an example. What you're going to do, you need to click record a response. You're going to record your own video. It's going to ask you to log in. You're going to click join with Microsoft. Okay. Usually it'll automatically sign you in. Just go ahead and click on your account. If you're having trouble, there's your login information. It's going to be your ID number at online.houstonisd.org and your regular school password. So you'll have 3 minutes to record your video and you'll click anywhere to dismiss it. So I just wanted to show you some options. If you go to effects, you can add different filters, frames, emojis, really fun things, okay? I know some of you may be shy, you don't want to show your face, and I understand, that's okay. What you can do, you're going to go to filters, and you can click pixel, so I can't even see your face, okay? Some other options, you can go back to effects. There's different frames to make it look pretty. You can add emojis. Let's find a cute emoji. I love this angel one. So when you click it, it'll come up on the screen. If you're shy, you can make it big and you can cover your whole face with it. You can add text, a paper, so this will split the screen in half. So that's really cool. You can also add text. So once you click, you'll say, hello, my name is Miss Duong. It's going to come out too big, so what you're going to do, you'll click on it and then you'll make it small. And then try and adjust and fix it. There you go. All right, and when you're done, when you're ready and it's all edited, you'll click this red button and then it'll start recording. And when you're done recording, you'll click pause and click next, and it'll allow you to watch the video that you just took. And I think that's about it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. I'm available to help you. Bye.